I just don't stop shopping. It's a problem. Hi, you guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Aish, your internet shopaholic sister, and in today's video, I'm going to share my shopping haul with you. Let's dive into it. We've got a bunch of packages, but I'm going to start with what I have on. This bodysuit is from H&M. It's actually a swimsuit, but I liked it as a top. It has a really nice scoop back and it's got padded cups, so I don't have to worry about what to wear inside. Then I picked up two basics. This is a basic black fitted t-shirt, and this is the same thing but in a red. They fit really snug, and I love basics because you can style them in different ways compared to trendy outfits that you probably won't get as much use out of. Moving on to more outfits. Both of these packages contain outfits from the brand Label Life, but the reason I bought it from two different platforms is because some of the items I picked on Label Life were heavily discounted, and they have a policy that you cannot exchange or return such discounted items. I quickly searched these items on Google, found them on Myntra, and Myntra has a return and exchange policy, plus it gave me an extra discount. Anyway, let's dive into the pieces. First up, I have this Dusty Rose jumpsuit. I really like the color on the website, and it has all these button details even on the bottoms, which is why I picked it. And this was the item because of which I had to go on Myntra, because I got this for 780 rupees or 750 rupees. The only thing I don't like is this, that it opens up or stretches out like this, but I can always fix it with a two-way tape. Next item is also a jumpsuit. This one's more like a utility jumpsuit, but I really like the color of this. It comes with this belt, so your waist can be cinched, but it has no belt loop. I don't know if I dig the utility vibe. What do you think? Now, I know I said I like styling basics, but it's almost New Year's and I felt like I wanted some bling, so I got these. It's not at all my style, and even my best friend was shocked when I told her I'm getting something blingy. But I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna see if I actually like it. This outfit will not be staying with us because the top is really loose, and I'm not too sure about the skirt either. Plus, all of these shimmers are glued on and they're already starting to come off. It's gotta go. Moving on, I have some packages from Nykaa. This was just an impulse buy. First up, we have two products from the same brand, which is my favorite only for the reason that its products smell really good. If you haven't guessed it yet, it's Sol de Janeiro. Let's talk about this first. This has a very nice vanilla caramel scent that I absolutely love, and that's the only reason I bought this, because as a mist, this does nothing. I know mists are not supposed to last very long, but even if you use it with the same body lotion and you put Vaseline and try all of the perfume hacks, this does not last more than 25 minutes on my body. I don't know what it is, but it just doesn't. This, on the other hand, I really like. It's a very light sunscreen spray that goes on your body. Doesn't feel very oily or greasy, and it dries down matte, so you'll feel like you have nothing on, and it will protect your skin. Plus, it has a really nice scent. Then I just bought a bunch of random nail polishes from Nykaa. I really like nude shades, so I've got these. The last thing I got from Nykaa are these biotin gummies from this brand called Centrum. I have no idea about the brand, but what I did research is the ingredient list. I really wanted to give these a try because I've tried a lot of other hair gummy brands, and the only one I actually really like is by Nature's Bounty, but you don't get them here in India. So I thought I'll give these a try and I'll let you guys know if they actually work. The last and biggest package is from Amazon, but I have to tell you, it's very boring. I got a pillow. This is an orthopedic pillow, and now that I'm closing in on my 30s, I still have 2 years. My body has just started to give up on me a little bit because every day I wake up with a random pain. So I just thought it was time to switch out my old pillow for a new one that could actually give me nice support while I sleep. And that's it for my haul. I hope you guys had fun, and I will see y'all next time because I don't know how to stop shopping. So there will be more shopping hauls. It's a problem, but we'll deal with it one day at a time. Okay, take care. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And bye.